My video is about getting rid of these scary alerts that come from the website ProfitFXProLifeMarket.com. This is a deceptive and totally fake alert. It claims to be related to the well-known security application, but in reality it is not associated with any decent program. You shouldn't interact with all these fake alerts. Don't trust them. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the result of some adware on your computer. We recommend you to carefully examine the control panel of your computer in order to uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. So if you find something suspicious here, uninstall it. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So through this page, download the software, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.